are some commands within QPath that can help generate the annotations. One of them, for example, is... Why am I going to the menus? I don't use the menus in real life. Control and L, simple tissue detection. And that is one that can help generate annotations directly. It's not entirely intuitive parameters. It is very simple. We need to set a threshold. The threshold is just in intensity values. We can see if I move across the image, our pixels are around about 150 to 200. In the background, they're about 230 to 240. So let's say I set a threshold at 220, so somewhere between the background and the foreground. I press run, and this has now generated an annotation across the tissue for me. And I can choose that I want every part to have a particular minimum area, and then this can then filter out these smaller fragments if I want. And this is of course logged in the workflow, and so that can be a way where I can generate potentially meaningful annotations in a fully automated way and then generate a script across the entire image. Often I would prefer to create the annotations myself, or to make sure that the annotations are okay before I run the rest of the processing steps, because the tissue detection, you may end up with parts of the image selected that you don't necessarily want. There are other ways to get around it, but yeah, beyond the scope of this tutorial at this time.